Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Finally, after, when was the last video? 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks ago? It's been 3 weeks ago since the Fox Body revival, the first part video. So we are back. A lot has changed and yeah, so today is September the 5th. In 2 days, Mustang week starts. And of course, I'll be there with a buddy. Today, I'm pretty much just giving you some updates, what has happened in the last few weeks, why it has been so quiet, and yeah, then we're gonna go into what am I gonna bring to Mustang week, because as you guys know, I'm driving a 2003 Mustang, which the engine blew up in 2 years ago. Actually, it's been exactly 2 years ago. Kind of funny. So I'm just trying to make sure that I bring at least some tools so I know if something is wrong, I could fix it on the road. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you what I bring. There's different people preparing different for this. But yeah, first off, why has it been so quiet lately? Yeah, so I took some time off, some time to think, but now I'm back. Well, actually, it's been now over almost 2 months. It has been 2 months. So we are back and fresh. A lot has changed on the car as well. It's lowered on coilovers now. I got my BC Racing coilovers about a month ago. I have a N2MD watt box installed now as well. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the car. I think nothing else changed. Yeah, that should be it. So I am actually lucky that I don't live that far away from Myrtle Beach. It's only like 3.5 hours. So, and me and my buddy are gonna go, and I'm gonna try to make videos every day because there's a bunch of shit going down. It's gonna be the first time for me in Myrtle Beach. I have been in Tennessee now 2 times for Mustang stuff, and this is not gonna be the first time Myrtle Beach. We're gonna drive there on Sunday after work. I get off at work at like 11:30 p.m. and then we're gonna drive through the night. And then we get there at like 3:30, 4, depending how fast we're gonna drive. I'm gonna of course bring my car. I hope I'm gonna see a bunch of people over there. I'm in this one Facebook group that shows like all these Mustangs that are already over there and gonna be over there. So now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna prepare for, or what I take with me. So first of all, you know my shed is dirty as crap. So I'm gonna have to clean it up today, find all the tools. Then I'm gonna have my little Cobalt toolbox, which I'm gonna take with me, that has pretty much everything I would need if something happens. Of course, I bring like a little jack. Let me show you what else I bring. Of course, I bring my laptop, my camera. It's kind of windy today, but I know this microphone is pretty good in canceling out those windy situations. So yeah, here's the car. As you can see, it's still dirty. I'm gonna clean that up tomorrow, because tomorrow is Sunday. It's the last day before we go, and then I'm gonna get this all ready. So what else am I gonna bring? Back here, I got this little starter box, because you never know, I had to help so many other people. This is not even just for me, because I know my battery is good and I shouldn't run out of juice. This is also for other people. When the car doesn't start or the battery runs out, because you know, sometimes you have these people showing off the LED RGB lights and they just let it run like I do, and yeah, you forget about it and then your battery runs out of juice. So I'm bringing this. I also have a quart of oil, just because I already checked all my fluids. I'm still gonna have to recheck my tire pressure and retighten my lug nuts, because that's just what you do. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the car. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna get to finding all the tools in this mess over here. I hope this doesn't take too long. I mean, most of my tools are in this nice DeWalt bag. I just have to clear it out. I'm probably gonna bring my impact wrench, just because I can, you know, impact wrench, my ratchet. So we will be right back after I got all this cleaned up, and then we are ready to rock and roll for Sunday. Okay guys, so I'm back. I got most of my stuff together now. Now let me show you what I'm gonna take with me. So first of all, the Cobalt toolbox, which has pretty much all the ratchets and all that stuff in there. I'm taking my what is it called? Torque wrench, just to make sure that my wheels are always gonna be tight and stuff. You know, just to be safe. I'm also taking this baby, because you never know what might happen. Same for the impact wrench. In there, I still got some miscellaneous tools like crimp for wires, electrical tape, and I got some Loctite, because when we went to Pigeon Forge last month, and you guys remember, I put the brake calipers on my car, the new ones, the upgraded ones, and the screws came loose because I didn't put no Loctite on it. So I lost one screw, on each side of the caliper, so I had to retighten those. Of course, taking some NEZs, you know, just some random stuff that's flying in here. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I got these tools for the coilovers, which I'm probably not gonna need, but it's all in this one bag, and this one bag doesn't really use much space. I can throw that in my trunk and be done with it. Also very important, I'm taking zip ties with me. It's most of these things is not just for me, but if somebody else needs something, that's what it's for. You know, you never know if somebody has an issue. You know, just be prepared. Now I'm just gonna run to AutoZone or somewhere and get me like a fuse kit where all the fuses are in that I might need. So I have all the fuses ready if one blows, stuff like that. So we will see us again after I got the fuse kit. Well guys, I just realized I forgot to make an outro because I kinda ended it abrupt yesterday. Today is Sunday, it is the last day. One more day at work. I got my last few things ready, so we are ready to rock and roll. So yeah, I think I went into detail yesterday already what I'm gonna take with me. But yeah, with one bag. No, I got some stuff back there. I already told you that I'm gonna take the Stanley Jumpstart with me, and I got me some fuses yesterday. Now some of you, that's what I wanted to mention too, some of you might probably be like, why is he taking all this stuff with him? The last 2 trips I took, every time something went wrong and I was lucky enough to have my tools with me. Last year when we went to Tennessee, my alternator broke, so I was lucky enough to have my tools with me so I could install it, the new one. And yeah, so same with the fuses. Was it this year? Yeah, this year one of my fuses just broke and my brake lights didn't work and my cruise control didn't work. So now I got extra fuses for everything and all the tools that I might need. Hopefully I don't. And it's also not just for me, it's for pretty much everybody else. I hope the sun wasn't in my shot. But yeah, I cleaned the car up yesterday. Of course, it's dirty again, but here we are, clean. And yeah, pretty much packed in there. Pretty packed. Oops. We got my little skeleton friend and some clothes in my cobalt box, and then my buddy has one more. Okay, motorcycle. Then my buddy has one more clothes bag that's gonna go in here, and another skeleton because we're gonna have 2 in the passenger and driver side when we are parked somewhere. Then we got, of course, name labels, but you guys gonna figure that out during the week. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So we will see us. This video is probably gonna upload. I tried to knock it out now, but if not, you're gonna see this on Monday. And yeah, I hope you guys are ready for Mustang Week. I am. Unofficial Mustang Week, and we will see us then. Bye.